Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Binayak and I am the founder of Growth Live Studio. In this channel, basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses, primarily using paid ads. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do keyword research for your Google Ads. Before we start the video, I want to mention a couple of things that are really important. I'm going to do keyword research for local business. And for this tutorial, I'm going to take remodeling business as an example. I'm not going to cover keyword research for the entire campaign. That would take a long time. You also know that. And I'm going to give you a framework that I follow when I do keyword research for my Google Ads. And one thing I want to mention that this keyword research applies not only on remodeling business. This tutorial applies to pretty much all the local businesses. You can take the framework and apply to your own business. The framework will be the same. You can pretty much follow the tutorial and do keyword research by your own. I'm going to focus on high intent keywords today, like bathroom remodel near me, kitchen remodeling companies, and home remodeling Houston. If you are situated in Houston, you can add your location with the keywords. That would call a pretty high intent keyword because people are really looking for your service. We are going to ignore broad keyword like remodel. Obviously that doesn't serve anything. We really don't know the intent behind this search. Right, from a marketing perspective, people who search with high intent keyword are more closer to become your clients, more closer to make a decision because they already have done their research and they are looking for your service, because these people are more likely to purchase from you. So, and another thing, when you are doing keyword research, Google Ads is all about relevancy, right? The higher the relevancy, the higher the reward, right? So we are going to group every keyword by themes and create different ad groups and landing pages for those themes, right? So that was the thing that I wanted to mention before I start the tutorial. Let's log into Google Ads and do some keyword research. So to do keyword research, all you need to do, you have to go to ads.google.com and you will be right over here. And after that, you have to click sign in with your existing account. If you don't have one, you have to click get started. And Google is pretty straightforward with their process of signing up. You have to enter your business information, your address and your card information, and you are pretty good to go. You shouldn't have any issues during the registration, right? This page will pop up. You have to click on tools and settings. You have to click on keyword planner, click on discover new keywords, and you will be right over here. So before I start doing keyword research, I always start with the root keyword, right? Like we are doing keyword research for remodeling business, and one of the services is kitchen remodel. So I'm going to get some ideas about kitchen remodel. Kitchen remodel near me. Kitchen remodel contractors. Kitchen remodel companies. Kitchen remodel Texas. After typing some keywords, we have to click obviously on get results. So here's the result, and I'm going to use this Excel spreadsheet to pull out some data from the keyword planner. So as you can see, here is the average monthly searches. It's giving us a range only, right? From 1k to 10k. I use this account for tutorial purposes, and because there's no money running in this account, so they are only giving us estimation of traffic searches, not giving us the proper data, and which is pretty fine, and you obviously can use this for your keyword research. So I'm going to start pulling data from these keywords, right? And you can broaden your search with Google gonna recommend you some of the keywords from here. You can use that also, but these 4 keywords are good to go. Okay, so let's copy this kitchen remodel near me. Let's paste it over here. Kitchen remodel contractor. Let's paste it over here. Kitchen remodel companies. That's obviously a pretty good high intent keywords. Searcher already done their researches. They are searching for your service with these keywords. They are typing these keywords and continuously searching for your service, right? So that's the beauty of Google Ads. They are continuously searching for your service on the internet. So we're gonna put this over here. That could be a pretty good high intent keyword, because we are also using this geolocation right over here, like Texas. That would be a separate ad group as well. So let's see, kitchen contractors near me, be a separate ad group under this keyword. Kitchen remodeling companies near me. This will be this keyword. Kitchen remodel contractors near me. This will be under this keyword ad group. And one thing I want to mention, here we can see the average monthly searches, and here you can see the bid that you are obviously going to pay to Google to get the clicks. And the top of the page bid, going to spend $18 in the maximum. You have everything set up correctly, you will be paying less than $18. You would be paying $4, right? So if you have everything set up correctly, then you will be paying a lot less. As you can see the patterns, we are making different themes, and we will be creating ad groups based on these keywords. That would be different ad groups. Okay, so I'm not going to go over 344 keywords for the project. I would do that. One more thing, if you are running out of keywords, click on this add filter and keyword, click on the keyword. Apply companies, and I'm going to add another filter, company. This way you will get more keyword ideas. You can dig more into the keyword planner and you will get more keyword ideas. As you can see right over here, showing 38 keyword of 354 keyword ideas, right? So all these keywords are contains of companies and company, right? So you can get different keyword ideas with this trick if you are running out of keyword ideas. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how I do my keyword research. I pull out data and I make different themes with the keyword intents, right? So that was the video, guys. If you have any questions, you can obviously comment down below. I would really appreciate if you like the video. and yeah, subscribe to my channel. And in the next video I'm going to show you one tool that you are obviously need to use if you are doing Google Ads, that going to save a lot of time of yours when you are doing keyword research and setting up your campaign. So that's pretty much it, guys. Bye bye, take care, and till then have a great one. Thank you.